Hi mga kabechi! So today guys, join me to cook the most delicious chicken tinola. So the first thing we need to do is to cut the chicken meat. Oh my god! Finally, the chicken meat has been sliced. I also complete chopping the ginger, onions, and garlic. Finally, ginigisa na natin ang chicken with ginger, onion, and garlic. Habang hinihintay natin maluto ang chicken na ginisa, hating-hatiin naman ang cabbage. Yes!
You don't have to have a thing, for I'll be satisfied. Now as you are my guide, just give me.
At ngayon guys, dumako naman tayo sa pag-slice ng sayote.
Hey, 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 lover, you don't have to be a star. Hey, 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 lover, I love you just the way you are. For love is just the same in a fortune of fame. Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding.
And yes! Finally! Lalagay na natin ang sayote sa ginisang chicken!
Hey, hey, lover, you don't have to have a thing, for I'll be satisfied. Now as you are my guide, just give me
Hintayin lang natin siyang kumulo at lagyan natin siya ng tubig ulit. And ilagay naman natin ang cabbage.
star. Hey, 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 lover, I love you just the way you are.
Sorry guys, unique tinola pala itong linuluto ko ngayon.
Fortune of fame.
And yes!
True love and understanding.
Yes! Thank you for watching guys!